Hello students of class 6, once again I am Sudhi and welcome to my video. In today's video I will show you the solutions of exercise 7.6, and this is the last exercise of the chapter number 7, fraction. So my dear student, in this exercise we will see that the addition and subtraction of the fractions again. Okay, so the questions are a little different from the previous exercise. So let us see how we can solve these questions here in exercise 7.6. Now, my dear students, here I have written some questions out of this question number 1 solve. You can see that A, Z, I, and few more I will try to show you. Okay, from the question number 1. So they are together. Some few more questions are there in question number 1. So I am going to solve only few so that you can practice the rest by following the same method and the way I am solving in this video. Okay. Now let us start A. So in A you see there are two fractions, 2 by 3 plus 1 is 7, and you can see that the two fractions are unlike fractions. So this is the additions where we add unlike fractions. Okay, means having different denominators. So for the different denominators, what we are going to do is that we are going to find out the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators, and we will take that LCM as the common denominator and we will do the operation. So let us see how we can do it. So next step, you see, like this, first of all, let's find out the LCM of 3 and 7. That means it is equal to how much? You see, 3 is prime number, 7 is prime number. In this case, the LCM must be their product. Multiply these two. 7 and 3, that is 21. So 21 is the LCM. Now we get this 21 as the LCM. So this LCM will be the common denominator of these two fractions. That means we start like this. 1 by 1, yes, not 1. So I just try to show you that is here 2 by 3 will be equal to the fractions having 21 here. So 1 we have to multiply here 7, isn't it? And here also we multiply 7, 7 to the 14. So this fraction will be converted into the fraction having 21, that it is become as 14 by 21. Next what we have is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7. So we convert this into the fraction having 21 as denominator, then 7 3. Here also will be 3. That means 3 by 21. So take these two fractions now and make it. So here we find that both the denominator are same. That means we can add this 14 by 21 plus 3 by 21. That means we are getting here common denominator 21. So we will take this 21, the LCM as the common denominator, 21 here. Then what we are going to do is that, see, this 3, if you divide 21, you will get 7. Isn't it? 7, then 7, and then 2, then 2 multiply here, you see, we got 14. Yes. Plus, again, 7 divided this into 21, we got 3 into 1, we got this 3. Okay, so you see 14 plus 3 we get 21 into 1 side, then we will get common denominator, then we just plus the numerator. That means we are giving here 17 by 21. So 17 by 21 is the answer of this first question. Okay, then next let us see. Now we are going to take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 3. What will be there? See, 4 is the composite number, but 1 is prime number. So one prime number, 1 composite number, then we will multiply here also by that. Okay, clear? That means 3 4s are 12. So 12 is the LCM, and we'll take LCM as the common denominator. Like this. Okay, common denominator. You say is 21. So 21 is the common denominator. So 12 is the common denominator. And now what we have to do? This is another method, way of presenting yourself. Okay, another way of presenting, and another way of presenting you see here. Direct I will come to this. Okay, skipping this. So if you would like to practice in this little long way you can do. Otherwise, we'll take this 12 as the common denominator. Then you divide 12 by 4, you get 3, isn't it? And if you divide 12 by 3 again, you will get 4. So that means you are getting the same number again and again, the alternate numbers. For this you get 3, for this you get 4. If you divide 12, isn't it? Then with 3, you multiply with 3 here. This 3 bring down here and you multiply with the number when you divide 12 by 4, that is 3, isn't it? Then minus, for this 4 you get, isn't it? If you divide 12 by 3 you get 4, so this 1 and 4 will be multiplied. 1 is here, this 3 is from here only, and this 3 is when you divide the common denominator by this denominator, you get 3, then you get multiplied. Understand? Yes. Okay. But in a simple way, you see, to become the 4 as 12, you have to multiply with 3. Isn't it? That 3 also will multiply with this thing like that. Here, if you multiply with 4 and the 3, you will get 12. Isn't it? That 4 also must multiply with it. You will get it here 1. Isn't it? You will get 1 here, so 1 to 4. Okay. Here, then next step you are getting here 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 on the 4, then by 12. Here, then how much we are getting here? We are getting here 5 by 5 by 12 is the answer of the question number G. Okay, now next is H. Okay, see my dear student, here there are 2 fractions. So 3 fractions, and we are having 3 denominators. So we have to find out the LCM of these 3 denominators. Okay, LCM of 3, 4, and 2 is how much? Let us see. See, first of all, just one thing you aware here. Here, what is the number? There is 2. One of the number is a factor of another number here. In these 3 denominators, one denominator is a factor of another denominator. Then what happens? You can just ignore this 2 for some time and just consider 3 and 4. Then the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, isn't it? Here we go 3 and 4, isn't it? Yes. So just ignore this 2. Why we ignore this 2 for some time? That is, 2 is a factor of 4. That's why. So 3 4s are 12. Now 12 is the LCM, so we will take the common denominator as 12. So bring down this 2 here. Okay. And then just divide this 12 by 3, how much will get? 4. Then that 4 will be multiplied with 2. Again, just see once more. To get this 3 as 12, so what you do with the 3 multiply with the 4. Then we have to multiply this numerator also with 4. That is 2 into 4. Okay, let us put the bracket for some time. Next, to get the 4 as 12, denominator as 12, so what we do here, we multiply with 3. 4 3 is 12. That means this 3, that 3 also must multiply with the numerator here. 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3. 4 3 is 12, that's why it is also 3 into 3. Plus 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12, so 6 into 1 also must be continued. 1 into 6. 2 6 are 12, isn't it? 1 6 we have to be multiplied. 1 6. Okay. Next, 2 4s are 8. We have plus. Next, 2 3s are 9. We have plus. Next, 6 1 is 6 we have. And common denominator 12. Then add all this numerator. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 23. 23 by 12. Now, my dear student, in this condition, you see 23 by 12 is improper fraction. If you would like to change it to the mixed fraction, you can change the mixed fraction. Otherwise, you can leave as is. Clear? So this can be written like this. 12 1 is 12. Then 11 by 1 11 by 12 as a mixed fraction. Like this also you can convert and keep it. Otherwise, you can keep this as answer. 23 by 2. Okay. This is the improper fraction. These are the answer of these three questions given here. Now let us see other one or two more questions once again. Okay. Okay, my dear student, next we have two more questions here, K and L. So I'll show you this. In this two questions, you can find that the fractions are mixed fractions. So how will add the mixed fraction? Let us see. My dear student, next step, all we have to do in that, we just convert it into proper fraction class. 3 1 is 3 1 plus 3 1 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4. It is becoming 4 by 3 plus 3 is 9 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 by 3. So we get the fractions as improper fraction 4 by 3 plus 11 by 3. Now you see, now we got 3 same. It means denominators are same. Then what we do is simply just add the numerators 3 4 plus 11. That means how much we get here? 15 by 3. So 15 by 3, my dear student, 3 5 is 15, isn't it? So we get here answer is 5. Okay, if you divide this 15 by 3 by 15 by 3, you will get 3 5 is 15. Next, here also, here we will convert this into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 by 3 plus 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 4. Now in this case, what happens? Denominators are different. They are unlike fraction. Here is like fraction. So here is unlike fraction. So what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM. So what is the LCM? You see here, I just write down LCM of 3 and 4. You know that what are they? It is 12. 12, isn't it? 12, yes. Then we will take this 12 as the common denominator. Then bring down 14 here for some time, and you see we multiply 4 here to get 12, isn't it? That 4 will multiply with this 14 also. Then plus we multiply with 3 to get 12 here, so that 3 also will multiply with 13. Like this. Okay. Then 14 4 how much? It is 48. 56, then plus 39. Okay, yes. Then common denominator 12. So how much we get here? 56 plus 39. That means 80, 95. 95 divided by 12. So 95 by 12. 95 by 12, the fraction is improper fraction. So we will convert into the mixed fraction. Okay. Or else we can keep this. If we have to convert into the mixed fraction, this improper fraction, then 95 will divide by 12. So how many times we go? Let's say 12 5 12 4 12 8 12 7. What is 12 7? 12 7 7 14 1 12 8. This 96 we cannot take 8, we will take 7 here. 7 12 are 84, then we get here 11, isn't it? Then we will convert this into the mixed fraction. Then we get here this quotient 7 will be here, and 11 that remainder will be the numerator, and 12 will be as it is. So 7 11 by 12. So this is the answer of this question number 9. So this is how we solve the problem of the addition or subtraction of the mixed fraction or improper fractions. Okay. This is the answer for question number 1, and let's go to question number 2. Hello my dear student. Question number 2 is very simple, and I want to give it for you. And I'll do number 3, and you see the number 3 how I'm doing, and you can just follow the way I'm doing in number 3, the way I'm solving the question number 3, and you can follow to solve the question number 2. Okay, you should do that question number 2 as your homework. So question number 2 is your homework. So let us do this question number 3. Question number 3 is saying like this: Naina was given 1 by 1 by 2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount. Find the total. Find the total means we have to add this fraction. Okay. So let us see some kind of presentation of the solutions. So what we have to do is that fraction of Naina. Naina is equal to 1 by 2. What is the fraction? Fraction of the cake or piece of the cake, you can say. Okay, clear. Then next is also fraction of Nazma. Nazma is 1 by 3. Isn't it? Then what we have to do? So therefore the total amount of the cake is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So we have to convert this into mixed number. 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. Then next step what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, isn't it? So we will take this LCM 6 as the common denominator. Then what we have to do, we will bring down this 3 for some time here and multiply with a number. What number we have to multiply? To change this 2 as 6, or to get 6. To get 6, what we do with this 2, we multiply with 3. 3 also we multiply with this 3. That is numerator. 3 into 3, isn't it? Plus. Now to get 6, what we do with 3? With 3 we multiply with 2, isn't it? That 2 we have to multiply again with 4. That is 4 into 2. Okay. So here I just show you LCM is 6. That means 6 as the common denominator. Okay. Then how much? 9 plus 8 by 6. Okay. That means how much we get here? Next step you see here is equal to 17 by 6. So 17 by 6 is improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. How much? 6 to the 12, 6 is the 18, 6 to the 18. So 6 to 2, okay, 12, 5. 2 5 by 6 more. 2 5 by 6. 2 5 by 6 is the mixed fraction. How do you get the mixed fraction? 17 divided by 6. 6 5 so 6 2 is 12, isn't it? Then 5 should be in there. So 5 here, 2 here, and 6 as it is here, isn't it? So therefore, what happens? So therefore, so we given here. Right. It is already given here. Therefore, the total amount of the cake will be this plus this. Second here, this. So this is the answer. That's all. Nothing to write. Already we have given the statement here. Therefore, the total amount of the cake will be addition of these two fractions, and we can here 2 by 6. So this is the amount of the cake. Total amount of the cake distributing among Naina and Nazma. Okay. So like this, you please follow the same process, same procedure in question number 2 also, and question number 2 as well. Okay, clear? And let's go to the next question. Hello, my dear friend. Next question, we have question number 4 and question number 5. Let us see question number 4. In question number 4, we have to fill in the boxes. 3 questions are there, A, B, C, but I'm giving you A and C. B, you can try. See, in 5 also A and B are there. A I'm showing to you, and B is yours to practice. Okay. Now fill the boxes. See, what we have to write here, what fraction will be here, so that if you minus 5 and 8 from this, you get 1 by 4. So for this, what you have to do is that take these two fractions. Okay. Yeah. So what we have to do is that 1 by 4. 1 by 4, then we subtract 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8. So here myself in A we have something minus we minus 5 from something and we get 5. So here what happened? Take these two factors 1 by 4 and 5 by 8, and you have to add, not minus. You have to add. You have to add. Okay, you have to add these two. Then you will get the particular number or a fraction that from which you subtract this. For example, you see, you think that 5 by 8 is 3 and this number 1 by 4 is 2 here. Just 3, okay. So what you subtract from this, what you, 3, what, from what you subtract 3 so that you get 2. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is 5. 5 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. So therefore, what do we do with these two numbers here? We add here, isn't it? In the same way, we just take these two fractions and we add. So then we get 5. Means the number from which 5 by 8 is subtracted. So then, next what we have to do, adding these two fractions, so we are going to get the LCM. So the LCM of this 4 and 8 is 8. Why? Because 4 is a factor of 8. So 8 is the LCM. Yeah, and you need the common denominator. So 4 2 is 8. So 2 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus. Then 8 1 is 8, 5 1 is 5. 5. Then we have here 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 is the number to be filled in the box. Yes. Now you put here 7 by 8. Okay, 7 by 8. Here, next, for this fraction, so what happened here minus, you get the first number. So to get the first number, we add this two. We have to get the second number in the subtraction. So what we have to do, we have to subtract this from here. For example, just before that, if you minus something from 5, you will get 2 here. So what we have to do with this? So if you subtract this 2 from 5, you get 3. So then 3 is the number here. Isn't it? That means what we do with these two numbers here, see, we do the subtraction, isn't it? So we have to subtract. Subtract what from here? Subtract this answer from the given number. That means subtract 1 by 6 from 1 by 2, isn't it? Yes. So here for this 1 by 2, take 1 by 2 and subtract 1 by 6. And how much we get here? 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 is the composite number, 2 is the prime number. But what happened? 2 is the factor of 6. That's why 6 will be the common denominator. Isn't it? Common denominator. Then 2 3 is 6. So 3 1 is 3. 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. 3 have to multiply with 1. 3 1 is 3 minus 6 1 is 6. 1 1 is 1. Now we get here 2 by 6. 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 is the answer. Whether you write 2 by 6 or whether you write as 1 by 3. There is no any difference between this. Okay. Whether you write 2 by 6 or 1 by 3 will be same. So two number we get among these two, because 2 by 6 we can convert into the simplest form, isn't it? So take this simplest form is the better. Okay. You can take this 2 by 6, there is no any difference. So if you take 1 by 3, then it's best. The simplest form, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the number to be filled. This is answer for question number 4. Now let us go to next question number 5. In question number 5, a box is given there. A square box is given here, and you can see that some symbols are also here. So this is the box called the addition and subtraction box. Complete the addition and subtraction box. Now you see here in this diagram, you can see that here this way we have to plus and this way we have to subtract. Okay? So these two we have to plus and write the number here. If you add these two, you see 3 and 3. We get the common denominator 3. And we have to just add the numerators, isn't it? Yes. 2 plus 4 is 6 by 3. So 6 by 3 actually what happened? You can just write this as 2. Okay. Let me write this smaller. Now we get here 6 by 3. So 6 by 3 is 2. Okay. Next is here plus. So if you plus these two, how much you get here? Yes. Common denominator, isn't it? 3. Then we have to plus these two. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is 1. Okay. then we have to subtract these two. Okay, so common denominator we'll get here as 3, and we have to subtract 1 from 2, then this 1 by 3. So we get 1 by 3 here. That's 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, and here we have to take the common denominator 3 here and subtract 4 from 2, then we will get 2 by 3. So this is the answer. So here, no, this one. This we have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. That is also okay. Okay. So like this, please follow this the same way, the same process, and do the next box. Okay. Next box B is there. So let us go to the next question with this. Hello, my dear student. Next question is question number 6. And there are 9 questions. So question 6, 7, 8, 9 are almost same. They are the word questions only. So I'm going to solve you 6 and 7 and 8, 9. You have to try. Okay. So let us go to question number 6. Question number 6. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. A wire is there is having the length of 7 by 8 meter. And it is broken into 2 pieces. One piece is 1 by 4. Then what will be the other pieces? 2 pieces has been broken, isn't it? So one piece is having the length of 1 by 4 meter, and how much the other piece is the question. So what is total length? Total length is 7 by 8. Isn't it? So let us start the solutions. Total length of the wire is equal to 7 by 8 meter. Okay. Then one of the piece, the broken piece is 1 by 4 meter. Therefore, the other piece will be equal to the other piece of wire is equal to 7 by 8 meter minus 1 by 4 meter. So that means 4, 8. 8 is the 4 is the factor of 8, so 8 is the LCM. 8 is the LCM. 8 is the LCM. Okay, we'll take 8 is the common denominator, and 1 is 8, and 1 is 8, so then 1 is 7 minus 4, 2 is 8, 2, 1 is 2. Okay, clear? And next, how much we are getting here? We are getting here 7 minus 2 is 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So the other piece of the wire is 5 by 8 meter. That's all. Okay. Next. This is the answer to question number 6, and let's go to question number 7. Hello student, next question we have question number 8. Sorry, here once again one correction is there. That is question number 7 is looking for you, and 8 I'm choosing for you. 6 and 7 are almost same, and 8 and 9 are almost same. So 8 I'm doing it, and 9 you can do yourself by looking the same procedure. In 9, here I will show you the addition. 9 and 8 are same. So how I'm doing 8, you can follow the same in 9 also. See here in 8, Asa and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books, not fully filled, partly filled. So Asa's shelf is filled for 5 by 6 of the shelf with the books, and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 of the shelf is full, 2 by 5, not complete. Clear? So whose book shelf is more filled? We have to tell that Asa's shelf is more filled with the book, or Samuel's shelf is filled more with the books. Whose shelf we are going to find out. Then we have to compare these two fractions. Okay. Then the last question is asking again one more question, that by what fraction is more than the other? One who is more, how much is more? That we are going to show in terms of fraction, how much is more. Okay. So first of all, we have to compare the fractions. Yes. Now let's see here. Let us see here fraction fraction of Asa is equal to 5 by 6 and fraction of somewhere is equal to 2 by 5. Now we are going to compare it. So what we have to do, we are going to compare these two fractions. To compare these fractions, okay, you can see here one is 5 by 6 and one is another one is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. So their LCM. Now just their LCM of 6 and 5. 6 and 5, how much will we get is equal to 30. 30 is the LCM of 6 and 5. Because one number is prime number, so we have to multiply 5 and 6, we got 30 here. So this 30 will be the common denominator of both the fractions. That means this fraction will be converted into the fraction having 30 in the denominator. So what we do here, we multiply with 5 here. And here also we multiply with 5. 6 is 30, 5 is 25 here. And next also we are going to convert into the fraction having the same denominator 30, isn't it? And 5 how much? 5 6 are 30. We have here. This 6 also we multiply with 2 here. 6 2 are 12, isn't it? 6 to 12. Then we have here as 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. Which one is greater now? Now 30 37. So here we are going to compare the numerator here. Numerators are 25 and 12. Which one is greater? We found that 25 is greater, therefore 25 is greater than 12 by 30. That is whose fraction is 25 by 30? That is 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. So therefore, see, whose book cell is more? Therefore, yes, Asa's book cell. Asa's book cell is more filled. Okay. Then by how much? And more by how much fraction? Let us see. So we subtract it. That means 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. Isn't it? That means we are getting here 30 as the denominator. The same answer we get the denominator. Isn't it? Then see here 5 5s are 25 minus 12. These two. Bring these two and minus it. Okay. So you do this one or you can bring this one. Doesn't matter. If you are trying to understand in simple way, these two fractions will change denominator. That is 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. How much we get here? 30. Then 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. How much we get here? You will get here yes, 3. 13 by 3. So this is a fraction that more, okay, more than the self of somewhere. It is more by 13 by 30. That's all. Okay, 13 by 30. So this is the answer of this question number 8 and question number 9. Please join my dear student. Once again, you see here we are going to compare these two fractions. To compare two these fractions, we are going to take the LCM. LCM is 30, and we make these fractions as the fractions having the denominator 30 here, isn't it? And we found that 25 by 30 is greater than, means the fractions of Asa is greater than the fraction of the someone else. Means Asa's book cell is filled with more books. Okay. Then how much is more? Then we just bring these fractions with some denominator and subtract. 25 minus 12 by 30, then we carry here 13 by 30. 13 by 30 is a fraction, or it is how much that more by the Asa's self then the sum itself. So this is the answer of question number 8, and question number 9 is yours to do as homework. Okay, and with this we have finished this chapter also and the exercise as well. So in this chapter we have studied about the addition and subtraction of the fraction and different type of fractions, that like proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction and like fractions, and equivalent fractions are the simplest form of the fraction. So all this, how we are understanding what is the concept that given behind in my videos and other lectures. Please try to understand and try to find it again and again, the more knowledge you can ever. Okay, so with this, my dear student, today I will complete my session, and we'll meet again in the next video, the next session, in the next session of my video, in the next chapter. Until then, have a nice day all of you. Take good care of you. So thank you once again for watching my video. Bye bye.